Hello, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. Eto na naman po ang panibago nating upload. Marami po akong sinama na magandang unit at pasok sa inyong mga budget. Kaya panoorin nyo po ito hanggang sa dulo mga bossing dahil marami po kayong choices na pagpipilian dito. Pwede nyo rin pong bisitahin ang aking Facebook page, J Catskill Vlogs. Marami rin po akong unit na nakapost doon. Huwag na nating patagalin to pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, like and subscribe naman po at isama mo ng notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Marami pong salamat sa inyong lahat. Let's start. Unang unit, 2014 Subaru Forester 2.0 AWD automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 90,000 kms, price 465,000. Location Pasig City. Pwede sa masela na buyer to, class AAA, casa maintain with records, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, fresh and clean intact interior, naka-Android touchscreen monitor with reverse camera and sensor, all power and all mechanism are 100% working, naka-deep dish matting na rin to, 5-seater capacity, naka-all leather, upuan pati sidings. Komportable ka naman kapag sumakay ka dito dahil malamig ang aircon at smooth ang suspension nito. Under the hood, excellent engine condition, naka-turbocharged direct injection 2.0 boxer 4-cylinder gas engine that produces 250 horsepower at 349 Nm of torque, naka-Motolite battery na rin to, ready for long drive. Outside appearance itong unit, makinis, stock original shiny paint, wala po itong gasgas, walang dent. Ang gwapo po ng daytime running lights itong Subaru, best buy unit. Sa mga interesado, feel free to inquire. Andyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po. Next, we have 2014 Chevrolet Trailblazer 2.8 LTX 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 58,000 kms, price 628,000. Location Pasig City. Sa naghahanap naman dyan ng quality na SUV, ito formado na to, naka-Android touchscreen head unit at may dalawang headrest monitor, 6-speed automatic transmission, smooth ang shifting nito, wala pong delay, naka-dual ice cold aircon with automatic climate control, naka-all leather na po upuan pati sidings, pristine interior condition at naka-black na po ang ceiling niyan, ang angas tingnan, 7 to 8 seater capacity at solid ang under chassis nito, pang ilalim, wala po itong kalampag. Must see the unit to appreciate, nating to fix po ito, sasakyan na lang. Pwede nyo pong i-check at i-test drive ang unit at syempre pwede po kayo magdala ng trusted nyong mechanic para ma-double check nyo po at magkaroon naman kayo ng peace of mind. Under the hood, powerful engine, naka 2.8 liter diesel engine that produces 200 horsepower at 500 Nm of torque. Good engine condition, no leaks, no overheat history. Presentable outside appearance, naka 20 inches black Renault Mags. Accessories nito may pang 2Hitch, may rain gutter, may stipboard, naka LED headlamps at naka Bosch Europa horn pa to. Next, 2016 Toyota Innova 2.5J manual transmission, diesel engine, mileage 92,000 kms, price 488,000. Location Las Piñas City. Ang linis din ng pagkaputi nito sa naghahanap dyan ng Toyota Innova. Casa maintain with casa records, 5-speed manual transmission, malakas humata, wala pong delay sa shifting, all stock, all original, well maintained and well preserved unit to. Maayos ang kondisyon ng mga upuan except sa driver side, medyo may crack po ang leather na upuan sa unahan. Yun lang ang napansin ko pero overall appearance maayos po ito. 7 to 9 seater capacity, perfecto pang family use. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood, naka 2.5 liter diesel engine that produces 101 horsepower at 200 Nm of torque. Smooth and quiet engine, no hidden defects. Available po itong unit sa financing. Please check ng computation, nasa screen po. Ready to use na to, condition na to sa pangmahabaang biyahe. Outside appearance, stock original shiny paint pa po yan. Nothing to fix, just diesel and go. Next, 2015 Hyundai Accent 1.6L manual transmission, gas engine, mileage 113,000 kms, price 298,000. Location Parañaque City. Sa naghahanap ng sedan na below 300 ka ang budget, loaded na to. Push start button, 6-speed manual transmission, may 3 pieces Android monitor, may backup camera and sensors, all power and all panel gauge, gumagana po lahat. Check nyo po actual mileage, not tampered, well maintained and well preserved unit, private use only, not bank repo, naka all leather seat po ang mga upuan, solid ang under chassis nito at wala po itong kalampag, malamig ang aircon with automatic climate control. Alaga talaga ito ng mayari at ginastusan talaga. Under the hood, no talsik, no usok, no blow by, naka 1.6 liter gas engine that produces 137 horsepower at 167 Nm of torque, naka 17 inches Vossen Forged Mags wheels pa to at saka ang mga gulong nito na 4 bago po lahat. Kompleto ang mga papel nito, naka-registered, ready for transfer, paunahan na lang kayo dito. Next, we have 2016 Ford EcoSport 1.5 trend, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 72,000 kms, price 385,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron din tayong quality na Ford Export, puting-puti rin to, ang ganda rin po ng unit. 6-speed automatic transmission, maayos po itong manakbo, wala pong issue ang transmission, smooth ang shifting, walang delay. Multi-info display, may voice command na rin to, may phone connectivity, may auxiliary and Bluetooth ready. Gumagana ang aircon nito, malamig, 5-seater capacity, clean and fresh, intact interior, all power and all panel gauge, gumagana po lahat. First owned unit, maayos pong upholstery nito, kita naman sa itsura ng mga upuan. Sa naghahanap ng EcoSport dyan, pwede nyong i-consider to. Well-maintained unit to. Under the hood, guaranteed no engine issue. Naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 110 horsepower at 140 Nm of torque. No hidden defects. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. Kung cash basis po, madaling kausap ang owner. Pwede po nyong puntahan. Pwede nyo pong i-view ang unit nang ma-check at ma-test drive nyo. Next, we have 2018 Toyota Vios 1.3e automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 39,000 kms, price 478,000. Location Las Piñas City. Blackish red mica ang kulay, smooth and shiny body paint, naka touchscreen head unit na rin to with reverse camera, naka dual airbag, malamig ang aircon. Sa naghahanap ng Toyota Vios dyan, eto quality unit mga bossing, malinis ang loob neto, LTO and HPG verified, may kasama pa itong manual and booklet. Under the hood, naka 1.3 liter dual VVTi gas engine that produces 98 horsepower at 123 Nm of torque. Pwede nyo rin po itong kuhanin ng financing. Naka-promo po tayo dyan, naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. Kung cash basis, negotiable upon viewing, at kung meron naman tayong existing unit dyan, pwede nyo pong dalhin sa shop para i-trade in. Meron din tayong 2011 Suzuki APB 1.6 SGX automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 70,000 kms, price 388,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron din akong sinamang pasok sa budget na Suzuki APB. Naka-touchscreen stereo na rin to with reverse camera. Maayos at sulit pa itong unit kahit 2011 model to. 4-speed automatic transmission, swabe pa rin po ito manakbo. 7-seater capacity, may captain chair na rin ito. Okay pa naman ang upholstery nito, naka-fabric seats. Ipapa-detail na lang po natin ang interior para mas maganda at malinis po tingnan. Kumpleto naman po ang papel nito, may kasama pang manual and booklet. Under the hood, naka 1.6 liter gas engine that produces 91 horsepower at 127 Nm of torque. Wala pong tagas ng langis yan at wala pong overheat history. Kasama rin po itong unit sa financing. Ayan po yung computation sa script. Silver ang kulay nito at presentable body paint. Sa mga interesado at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas ang smart and WhatsApp account ko po. Assist ko po kayo. Next, we have 2018 Nissan Urban NV350 2.5L manual transmission, diesel engine, mileage 56,000 kms, price 768,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa mahilig magbiyahe dyan, pang family, eto pong bagay sa inyo. 5-speed manual transmission na Nissan Urban. Naka-captain seat na rin po yan, swivel. Ang ganda ng pagka-customize ng upuan nito, parang pang super grandia. 12 to 14 seater capacity to. Talagang komportable kapag nakasakay ka dito, maluwag ang interior, malamig ang aircon sa harap at pati sa likod. Under the hood, malinis at good running condition ng engine nito. Naka 2.5 liter diesel engine that produces 127 horsepower at 356 Nm of torque. Updated po ang registration nito at may kasama na rin pong manual and booklet. Pwede nyo rin pong i-avail through financing. Ayan po yung computation sa screen. Brilliant silver ang kulay nito, makinis. LTO and HPG verified, nothing to fix. Sasakyan niya na lang to, ready for long drive. 2017 Ford EcoSport 1.5 titanium automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 54,000 kms, price 438,000. Location Parañaque City. All stock, all original, may rear parking sensor, naka-keyless entry na to, push start button, may voice command, may phone connectivity, may auxiliary and Bluetooth ready, naka-Android touchscreen head unit, 6-speed automatic transmission, smooth ang shifting nito at may sunroof na po itong unit, clean and fresh, leather interior, all power and all mechanism, gumagana po lahat, 5-seater capacity at maayos po kondisyon ng mga upuan nito. Ang pagka-leather, wala po itong crack. Wala rin po tayong problema sa mga pang-ilalim nito. Solid ang under chassis, smooth ang suspension. First owned unit, may dalawa pong original remote key na kasama. May auto sweep at easy trip na rin po ito na RFID. Under the hood, guaranteed no engine issue. Naka 1.5 liter TI VCT gas engine that produces 110 horsepower at 140 Nm of torque. Excellent engine condition, ready for long drive. Ang ganda rin ng kulay nito. Naka stock 16 inches alloy wheels pa po yan at makakapal pa ang mga gulong. Nasa 85% 90% trade line. Negotiable pa to upon viewing, madaling kausap si owner. 2014 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.5 GLX 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 72,000 kms, price 638,000. Location Cainta, Rizal. Ang gwapo rin itong Montero Sport, kaya kung sawa ka na sa sedan at gusto mo ng SUV, check this out. Clean and fresh interior, intact po lahat. Kahit 2014 model to, well maintained and well preserved unit. Must see the unit to appreciate, mga bossing. Maayos ang kondisyon nito, best buy unit, all power buttons, all panel gauge, gumagana po lahat. 7 to 8 seater capacity at ang mga upuan nito naka all leather seat cover. Maayos naman po ang lamig nito sa harap pati sa likuran. Smooth ang suspension at maayos ang pangilalim. Check nyo po engine bay nito, malinis po ang makina, wala pong oil leakage, wala pong overheat history. Naka 2.5 liter diesel engine that produces 135 horsepower and 314 Nm of torque. Outside appearance, naka-stock original shiny paint, naka 18 inches alloy wheels at maayos po ang kondisyon ng mga ilaw nito, detalyado, wala pong paninilaw. Nothing to fix, no issue, just diesel and go. Next, we have 2017 Honda City 1.5e automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 58,000 kms, price 480,000. Location Las Piñas City. Kung quality naman na sedan ang hanap mo na below 500 ka ang budget, all stock, all original to, may eco mode and sports mode, may anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution, naka-fabric seat sa mga upuan, wala namang punit, medyo madumi lang pero ipapadetail po natin yan at ipapaback to zero bago nyo po kuhanin. Under the hood, guaranteed no engine issue, naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 119 horsepower at 145 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Pa-check po ulit ng competition, nasa screen. Ang ganda po ng Honda City nito, ang ganda po ng pagkaputi, malinis, wala po itong gas-gas, walang dent, very presentable. Must see the unit to appreciate. Next unit, 2015 Nissan X-Trail 2.5 CVT 4x4 automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 560,000. Location Las Piñas City. Kung may naghahanap naman dyan ng 7-seater na 4-wheel drive, may 360 camera na to, smooth and responsive ang transmission, malakas sumatak, walang delay sa shifting, all power, steering, windows, doors, and mirrors, gumagana po lahat. Naka all leather interior na to, upuan pati sidings, all intact. Under the hood, naka 2.5 liter gas engine that produces 168 horsepower at 233 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng competition, nasa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. Kung cash basis po tayo, negotiable upon viewing at free na po ang transfer of ownership. Just comment down below sa video at i-assist ko po kayo. Meron din tayong quality na 2016 Toyota Yaris 1.5G automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 36,000 kms, price 467,000. Location Marikina City. Sa naghahanap dyan ng hatchback, eto Toyota Yaris, push start button na po ito, G-bar yan. Excellent interior condition, all stock, all original, private use only, not bank repo, used but not abused to. Check nyo po actual mileage, not tampered, all power and all panel gauge, working po lahat. Sa mga interesado, pwede nyo pong i-view ang unit ng actual and you can bring your trusted mechanic para po sulit ma-check nyo po ng maayos at ma-test drive. Under the hood, superb quality engine, naka 1.5 liter VVTi gas engine that produces 106 horsepower at 140 Nm of torque. Excellent engine condition. Makakapal pa ang mga gulong neto, nasa 90% trade line. Naka keyless entry na to. Outside appearance, smooth shiny body paint, flawless. 100% not flooded unit po ito, 100% no accident history. Good quality po ang unit. Next, 2016 Isuzu MU-X 2.5 LSA 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 71,000 kms, price 788,000. Location Marikina City. Sa gustong mag-upgrade ng SUV, pwede nyo rin pong i-consider to. 6-speed automatic transmission, naka touchscreen head unit to with reverse camera and sensors, 7 to 8 seater capacity at ang mga upuan nito naka factory leather seat pa po yan. Perfect to pang family use sa mahilig mag-travel. Ang pogi rin ng kulay nitong MU-X. Naka-stock 18 inches alloy wheels at wala pa pong mga gutter marks yan. Mga gulong neto makakapal pa, nasa 85% trade line, sasakyan na lang to. Next, 2008 Ford Escape 2.3 XLT 4x4 automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 115,000 kms, price 225,000. Location Parañaque City. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng low budget na sasakyan na good quality pa ang transmission at hindi pa po blow by ang makina, pwede nyo pong i-check at i-consider to. All stock, all original, all power buttons, gumagana pa lahat. At ang maganda pa dito, 4-wheel drive na po ito. 2008 model to pero well maintained and well preserved, used but not abused. Sa mga interesado, you can bring your trusted mechanic. Under the hood, naka 2.3 liter gas engine, no talsik, no usok, no blow-by, no overtaste history. Condition pa po itong unit. Paunahan na lang kayo dito. Unle check, unle test drive, pwede po. Next, we have 2019 Toyota Hiace 2.8 GL Grandia, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 43,000 kms, price 1,887,000. Location, Marikina City. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng Toyota Hiace na automatic, eto, good as new condition, clean and fresh intact interior, naka-touchscreen head unit na to, all power and all mechanism, 100% working. Perfecting unit, pang all-around na gamit, pang business, pang personal use, pang family use. Wala pong problema dito, 12 to 14 seater capacity. Nothing to fix po sa unit na to, no issue. Alright, ayan na po lahat ng upload natin for today's video. Sana po may napili kayo. At kung wala pa po dyan yung unit na Corsonada nyo, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. You can visit also my Facebook page, J Catskill Vlogs. Marami din po tayong unit na nakapost doon. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. See you pa sa next upload. This is J Catskill Vlogs. Good day everyone. Peace out!